At the recently held Muay Thai Championship held at Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates on the 4th and 5th of June 2022, two Muay Thai artists of the state that include Pynehbor Mylliemngap and Blaseibok Kharbuli had won laurels for the state by winning the bronze medals in the under 23 years category of the Muay Thai Championship organized by the International Federation of Muay Thai Association. Altogether, three participants from the state that also included Kharbuli had represented the country in the particular championship at Abu Dhabi. On 6th of June, the Muay Thai artists, along with the president and other members of the Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya, had met Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Mylliemngap to thank him for his support and encouragement to members of the entire team from Meghalaya who had represented India in the championship. Lauding the efforts put in by the young Muay Thai artists and the president of the Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya, Angeles Sun, the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, Mylliemngap, congratulated them for bringing laurels not only to Meghalaya but to the country as a whole by winning bronze medals at the recent international championship in Abu Dhabi. Mylliemngap encouraged the young players to keep working hard so as to not only be successful in their field but especially to promote this kind of contact sport in the state of Meghalaya.
But kanili khamtam magadi international event ma so gadi ka kam bagini rapor kalau ka por boleh kot makana ring la susim la sim ya ka rai mangani rap min no no taman ring so komen si kadai hapren ka jingle yim te pinjok ndram ring taman no so komen ai kalau kon rai ka nam bo ndai tang state ya kari India lo koi badai tang pi be yo ya kari ka jinjok but ki bakhlem jok lu belai to milai taman perchang yang next time kari ka buram ya ka yen gasam ya ka state but ya ka jelai beroi but kamtam ya ka rin dia mo but ngit kam nang la man ya chakmat but nang tresh tam but ni iba ka ni ka kontak game ko chila kai nang ki kamtam bo ka state ka chong